Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Now what we have here is an addition to my collection, and we'll open it up and see what it is. First, have a look at these stamps. It's a nice looking one too, eh? Another addition. I also collect stamps, so it's a good addition. This one, lovely. Now let's see what this one is. Okay, this one, souvenir set coin base. Wow, nice. Here we go. It's a lovely coin from Canada. It's a 10-cent coin. Just wanna move it. Oh, wow. Ooh, I ripped it up. Wow. This is a silver coin from Canada. I did manage to cut it from the board, and yes, look at this. 10 cents, 18.99 from Canada. It have a low vintage, I think around 1.2 million, and it's 925 silver. Yeah, so it's worth $20, but actually I had it way below that, so I think it's a win for me as well. And you can see the portrait of Queen Victoria. It says Victoria de Gratia Regina. That means Victoria by the grace of God, Queen, or Victoria Queen by the grace of God. And the wording below, it's Canada. And you see a young portrait of Queen Victoria in the middle. Nice looking coin. Here we go. Right. Thank you very much and have a good day.